Hello, my friends. Um, in order to help us to survive in this crisis, you have to wash your hands, and you have to wash your hands as soon as possible with uh, regular soap. Um, the external coat of the COVID-19 is made of lipid, so the soap destroy this coat, and the regular soap will make the job perfectly. But if you have to go out, if you have to make to supply, you will have to use a gel like that after any operation, any buy, and these gel are more difficult to have now. Mainly, it's impossible to find some. So there is a way to make it yourself at home, according very serious recipes from World Health Organization. And I have done two recipes that I give you now, and it's very simple. One is based on the formal recipe, and the second one works perfectly as well, is more like in emergency. Let's see it right now. So how it works. The first recipe is very simple. You can read it now here. It's made of four components. You may find these components in your bathroom. Okay? So the first one is 90% alcohol. Okay? The second one is peroxide, 3% peroxide. You may find it in your bathroom too. Girls will tell you what they do with that. Okay, and the third component is just regular glycerin. And to finish, you have to dilute with boiled water, cold boiled water. Okay. And when you mix that, so it's on the recipe is 100 cc. I'm talking in volume, but if you want to work in grams, it's 81 grams, because the alcohol is lighter than water. So it's 100 cc of 90% alcohol, 5.3 of peroxide, and 1.6 cc of glycerin, and to extend 5.5 cc of boiled water, cold boiled water, and the result makes you 80% alcohol hydroalcoholic gel. So this works perfectly, and this is the regular recipe. Okay, I have done one like that, and you have to pour it in a practical flask, and then you can use it very easily like that. You may note that this is more liquid than the gel you may find in the commerce, but it works perfectly. But there is another recipe I did which works as well, and it may be more simple to do. So because we are in crisis and in emergency, you may make the second one just with a mix of 80% of 90% alcohol, and then 20% of vodka or any kind of strong alcohol, at least 40% alcohol, and half a spoonful of hair gel, hair fixing gel. This will makes you exactly the same recipe with 100% hydroalcoholic gel. So let's see that right now. Well, to make this recipe as simple as possible, I have used, for instance, a little cup like that. This cup is 20 cc. You may find something which looks like that. So you take your 90% alcohol and you pour four times regular alcohol in this bottle. 1, 2, don't smoke, 3, 4, and another cup of regular vodka, I'm sorry, or rum or something like that. This alcohol must have at least 40% of alcohol inside. One cup of vodka. And in this mix, you add just half a spoonful of fixing gel, you know, for the kids. Yeah, something like that. So you close it, you shake hard, and the work is done. This is hydroalcoholic gel, which works perfectly according World Health Organization. Take care of you, my friends. I love you. Bye.